People often wonder which is tougher, computer engineering or computer science. It's a question that sparks debates in classrooms and online forums. Both fields are challenging and rewarding, leading to amazing careers in tech. But their focuses differ, making a direct comparison tricky. Think of it like this. Is it harder to build a car or to plan a road trip? Both tasks require different skills and knowledge. Building a car involves understanding engines, mechanics, and materials. Planning a road trip needs map reading, logistics, and maybe even some knowledge of local attractions. Similarly, computer engineering and computer science are distinct disciplines with unique challenges. One isn't inherently harder than the other. It all depends on your interests, strengths, and how you define hard. Let's dive deeper into each field to understand this better. Computer engineering is like being a digital architect. These engineers bridge the gap between hardware and software. They design and build the physical components of computers, like circuit boards, processors, and memory. They also develop the software that makes these components work together seamlessly. Imagine constructing a skyscraper. You need architects to design the building's structure, engineers to ensure its stability, and construction workers to assemble it. Computer engineers play all these roles for computers and digital systems. They are the architects, engineers, and builders of the digital world. They work on projects ranging from tiny microcontrollers in your smartwatch to powerful servers that run websites and applications. Their work impacts our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones and laptops to self-driving cars and medical devices. Computer engineering delves into how computers work at their core. It involves understanding topics like circuit design. Engineers create pathways on circuit boards for electricity and information flow. Microprocessors, the brains of computers, executing instructions and handling tasks. Embedded systems, specialized systems in devices like cars and medical machines. Section 4. Unraveling computer science, the world of algorithms and data. Now let's switch gears to computer science. If computer engineering is about building the car, computer science is about planning the road trip. It focuses on the software side of things. Computer scientists design algorithms, write code, and develop software applications. They're the masterminds behind the programs we use daily, from web browsers and video games to artificial intelligence and data analysis tools. Imagine you're organizing a giant library. You need a system to categorize books, locate them quickly, and manage borrowing and returning. Computer scientists create these systems for digital information. They develop algorithms to sort and search data, write code to create user interfaces, and build databases to store vast amounts of information. Section 5. Computer science challenges. Thinking outside the box. Computer science might seem less tangible than computer engineering, but it presents its own set of challenges. Problem solving. Computer scientists are like detectives solving puzzles. They break down complex problems into smaller steps, design algorithms to find solutions, and write efficient code to implement those solutions. Abstract thinking. While computer engineers deal with physical components, computer scientists often work with abstract concepts like data structures and algorithms. They need to visualize how data is organized and manipulated in the digital world. Continuous learning. The tech world is constantly evolving. New programming languages, tools, and technologies emerge regularly. Computer scientists need to be lifelong learners, adapting to these changes and expanding their skill sets. These challenges require a combination of logical thinking, creativity, and a passion for problem solving. Section 6. Head-to-head, comparing the titans. How do these fields stack up? Hardware versus software. Computer engineering builds physical components, while computer science deals with software. Tangible versus abstract. Engineering is tangible, involving physical devices. Computer science is abstract, focusing on algorithms and software design. Both fields share common ground. Problem solving and logical thinking are crucial for both. Mathematics is essential for both fields. Both require analytical skills to develop solutions. Section 7. The verdict: it's all relative. So, is computer engineering harder than computer science? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both fruits are delicious and nutritious, but they offer different flavors and textures. Similarly, computer engineering and computer science present unique challenges and rewards. The harder field depends on your individual strengths and interests. Some might find the tangible nature of computer engineering more appealing, while others thrive in the abstract world of computer science. Explore both fields, understand their core concepts, and see which one sparks your curiosity and passion. Both paths offer incredible career opportunities in technology. So, embrace the challenge, follow your interests, and carve your own path in the exciting world of computers.